Did you ever wanted to build your own PC to not only it being capable of basic work but also for gaming and maybe also light Photoshop and video editing? Maybe you're thinking that it is possible only with a lot of money. Well, I built this PC for just $500 that is actually worth $1,000, and so can you. Let me walk you through it. All of the parts cost just about $478 with tax. Considering that the actual cost of the parts is about $1,000, that means we saved as much as the half of the cost if we were going to buy them like any other person will. So what did I do to achieve this? It's quite simple. I only bought the parts that I knew they could survive in the future, not new. There's this website called Tradera where you can make bits similar to eBay, but this site have much better policies for you not to get scammed. I found an i3 4150 for $48, which actually cost $200 in here in Sweden. Then I bought 8GB of RAM, the Corsair Vengeance 4GB, also for $48, which cost $84 new when converting from krona to dollars. And for the motherboard I bought last year on MSI Z87 G45 Gaming for $90, which costs $200 brand new. Now rest of the parts I bought brand new because I knew these ones had to be new in order to have a long life PC. I bought the GPU for $190, the PSU for $45 and the CPU cooler for $33. Now the used parts and the new ones including the taxes added up to $454. I saved approximately $546 if I were to buy them all new. I know that those parts that are used parts doesn't have warranty, but I make sure to buy only the parts brand new that I knew they have high risk to fail in the near future. For example, the PSU and the GPU can fail or is not recommended to be bought without a warranty. Now the hard drives, I found some 320GB from my old Dell PCs which I threw out anyway after. So I saved on the hard drives. The final result is this, and you can see that it is not the best looking PC, but I tested it and the performance was not what I expected from it. Benchmarking it in the games, light video and picture editing, considering it only cost $500 with original price of $1,000. If I help you in any way for purchasing your ever first computer, go ahead and like and subscribe and stay tuned for my next video. I see you, Future Tech.